The most expensive dental implant is the one that you have to do twice. I met a patient a few months back, and it felt like it deserved a video because I see this a lot. She came in with a folder, and inside that folder there were a bunch of treatment plans printed out with notes handwritten all over it. And she pointed to the one that had the lowest number, like she had discovered a secret. And what she told me is that she didn't want to offend me. She was just trying to be frugal with her money and being smart. I respect that. Teeth and life are expensive, and no one wants to feel like they got taken advantage of. But there's a difference between saving money and then making a decision that ultimately will cost you more later. So her story is similar to many of the patients that come in. She had already had a bunch of dentistry with repeated areas of concern. She had this great deal option that the dentist had given her. But now, fast forward, she's in a lot of pain. She had bone loss around most of her teeth. And she was looking at more extensive work and more expensive treatment. And having to pay all over again, both in time, money, and trust, was difficult. So we slowed it down. We took a CT scan. I walked her through the findings and her ultimate treatment plan, and we looked at everything: the surgery, the teeth, the way the teeth come together or the bite, and how that all had to work together. Because when you're rebuilding someone's entire mouth, the plan matters as much as the individual implants. And when we did that, something shifted in her. I saw it in real time. It clicked. She started seeing the vision, why it had failed before, and now she knew she had a plan that she could trust for the next 20 years of her life. So fast forward a few months later, she told me she was out to dinner with her husband and ordered a steak. And halfway through the meal, she realized something. She realized she wasn't thinking about her teeth, not once. That's the goal. Not just teeth, the freedom. Do it right the first time, because you deserve more than just the cheapest answer. Because the most expensive dental implant is the one that you have to do twice.